is Jason. I've been in the movie business since 1977. Rain, my middle son, has an ambition to become a stuntman. About a year ago, he asked me if I could start filming some of the things he was up to and help build a reel to show off his new talents. Since leaving the UK, he's learned a bunch of skills like surfing, motocross, and skydiving. Today we're traveling to Gorman, north of LA in the desert. We're going to do some dirt biking and capture some exciting and dynamic shots. The LCD screen is perfect, takes the guesswork out of it. You hit record, go off and film, come back and you're all happy.
Those things are solid. When it fell off the shocks, that was a hard-ass hit and it didn't even break it at all.
You can put the camera at great angles, I mean dangerous angles where you think for sure it's going to get smashed. For action, we usually set the export to 50 or 60 frames per second, as it gives us more opportunity to change the pace, to speed it up, slow it down, so the shots are a lot more dynamic.
I hit that tree in midair, I almost fell. It hit my handlebar and I was like, boom!
Got some good stuff. Let's enjoy lunch break, huh? This afternoon we're travelling to Skydive Elsinore, southeast of LA, to jump out of a few planes and grab some flying shots. You can have so much fun with these cameras. I mean, doing things that you wouldn't normally think possible with a camera. That's the joy in it, you know, that's the fun. There's nothing more amazing for me to jump out of a plane with my son.
One of my favorite things we did with the camera today was when we put it on the plane wing with one of the mounts, stuck it right on there, went up in the plane 160 miles an hour, stayed on perfectly, got the best wide angle lens of us exiting the plane. Then one of my helmet, me and my dad hanging right out there.
Good jump, good jump.
It went perfectly, just as planned. Nothing went wrong. Camera's awesome. Perfect.